Hey guys, just wanted to bring you a video on turbinado sugar and what it is. A lot of people ask me, what is it? Because they're not familiar. And it is on your shelves at the store. And there's pictures of it. Comes sugar in the raw. I utilize this on as a crunchy. It's not as dissolvable. It doesn't dissolve like regular sugar. So it maintains a crunch. For example, it's great on cookie dough, cookies, toppings, you know. So if you look at it, okay, you'll see it has the brownish look to it, almost like brown sugar. And the thing is that it's not brown sugar. Brown sugar is basically a sugar with molasses. This stuff. This here is a reduction of sugar cane syrup, further reduced, and then crystallized. So it's unprocessed, unadulterated, but it has a stronger texture to it. It means it doesn't dissolve as fast. It does dissolve. So in regards to using this in a sauce, I wouldn't recommend, because the crunch will be there and people will get wondering what is that, whereas it would be something on the top of things. I use it in a carrot, orange glazed carrot. I'll throw some of this in there on the top. See, people can see it and they can crunch on it. Okay, so a good way to utilize this is to have it so people can see it on top of things. Okay, vegan, GMO free, gluten free, and in regards of the calories, a teaspoon is about 15 calories, 4 grams of carbohydrate. Okay, again, this is sugar, but there's actually less calories for a teaspoon of sugar than sugar itself. Okay, so it's a great product for you to play with. I'm looking at custards. You could sprinkle a little bit on your custards. Adds a little shiny bit. You can use it on top of your fruits. And let me see if they have any. They have the chocolate chip cookies, but let me see if they have. Sometimes they have little things of. I saw it. It's good in a tea, in coffee. Again, it doesn't break down like sugar. Sprinkle it on cereal, adds that crunch. Douse it on fruit. You can cook and bake with it. Okay, that's your turbinado sugar, guys. Again, it's a reduction of your cane, pure cane syrup. Unlike brown sugar, that is molasses mixed in with regular white sugar. Okay, so this is a more pure form and has a higher crystalline power to it. Means it doesn't dissolve as quickly and it maintains a nice crunch. And I'll actually take a little bit of crunch now. You can hear it. It's fun. You can also rim glasses with it for drinks, hot chocolates. Okay. All right, guys. Hope this helped teach you a little bit about the turbinado cane sugar. Thanks. Bye.